Hey everyone, happy Halloween. It is Deborah, and I want to show you some things that I've been working on for sweater weather. It's a sweater weather swap in my Facebook group, and so I wanted to show you a few things. I did make this cute little envelope from the envelope punch board, and I will share the video that I followed to make this, but it's awesome. So this is a sample. I really want to make something out of thicker paper, maybe some Cartabella, but the only thing with Cartabella, it probably will crack. So maybe Echo Park where it's double-sided. But anyway, here's some of the things I've showed you on previous videos that I want, that I made, and I want to, wanted a way to store these, and so this is what I came up with to store those. But also I made another thing that for this theme, which is I used this die from kscraft. They're cute ugly sweaters, and they are cute. They're not exactly, I didn't make them ugly style, but I made them. I'll show you real quick. All my scrap paper that I had, I just cut out all kinds of sweaters. This is there's two versions. These are not decorated yet, so we'll decorate those. There's two versions. And I just cut out all kinds of little sweaters. I figure the people that I'm giving them to can use them for, decorations. But here they are with the collar and the sleeves. They're super cute. And, I made them more of a fall theme, of course, but you could do Christmas theme, winter theme. And I just remember I'm using all my scraps to make things, and this was one of them. Thought that's perfect. I had a ton of fall scraps, and I needed to use them, and here's what I came up with, which is hopefully my lighting. Guys, it's dark. It's really early in the morning, so I've got to go to work. Look at this one. This is from Ollie's, that paper from Ollie's that I was able to get early on, and I love that paper. It's so beautiful for fall, and I thought that was a great one for sweaters. Anyway, this is what I've made so far. And I think those are super cute, and I think they will tuck in here as well. So I could put, 5 or 6 of them in here. I still have to make a bunch more. But I thought those would be cute to tuck in here for the swap as well. And of course I'll decorate this more. Maybe on the front I'll decorate it more. And, just make it cute for the swap. So, and then, okay, Carolina Crafts, she came up with these cute little, she made these little notebooks using, let me show you which die. This die right here, okay? And so I cut them out. Here we go. I cut them out. I cannot figure out where to punch them. And I know I have to use my big cinch, but I cannot figure out how to punch them to make the little notebooks. So right now I'm waiting, because this was going to be part of my sweater weather swap as well. But I haven't figured out how to make them. I am going to cut out a bunch of different little acorns and play around with the cinch machine to try to figure it out. And I'll cut them on scrap paper so I can figure out how to make them. But yeah, there we go. I haven't figured it out yet, but it's a work in progress. And each little book is going to have little 20 little sheets in it. It's either that or I'm just going to have to purchase hers, which I might do. So anyway, those are they're going to be cute if I figure it out. And oh, I just took all my scrap paper. I went through there and found all the fall ones and just sat there and punched, ran them through my machine while I was watching a show, and that was it. All right, that's all I have to show you today, guys. Very short and sweet. I am trying to reach 3,000 watch hours and on my channel so I can get monetized. That was my goal, to get monetized this year. And December 31st is just around the corner. And I believe the last time I checked, I had 1,970 watch hours, something like that. And I have to get to 3,000 to earn, to be able to apply to be monetized on YouTube. So if you have any spare time or you want to help me out, please watch a few videos. I will link some. I'll link a couple of playlists, and you could just watch a playlist and go through that. You don't even have to watch it. You just, yeah, I would like for you to watch it. Especially, that would be great if you watched it. And I know my videos are really, really short, most of them, but I will make some longer content, and, hopefully you guys will be interested in watching something like that. But guys, I am going forward for the rest of the year, I'm going to focus on making my projects from my kscraft Christmas dies, all the new dies I have. I need to finish making them. There's a bunch, and I need to make projects, and that's what I will be doing. Wednesday and Friday videos will be Christmas only, until right before Christmas, right before Christmas. There'll be Christmas videos only, and then I'll switch over to winter Valentine's towards the end of December after Christmas. But anyway, if you have any questions or you have any comments, please share them. And if you know how to punch this and make this a little, Carolina Crafts, she did a video on showing these, a project share showing these, and she had punched it down here, and I got to figure it out. I will figure it out. Maybe over the weekend. Maybe I'll show these next week. But anyway, you guys have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.